This is Ball Street on Bleacher Report, presented by TeamStream. We're going to talk Game of the Week, we're going to talk on bold predictions, Zlatan's return to Ajax. This is the Champions League in 120 seconds.
I think City can do it with having Fernando in front of the back four. I think that makes a massive difference in terms of defensive shape. And defensive shape is something that's dogging Bayern. They don't know whether they're a 3 or a 4.
I think Bayern will win. I think they've added Lewandowski in the summer. It's going to give them an extra attacking edge and they'll be able to expose Man City at the back.
Now, Ludogorets are a club that are only 13 years old, so they're making their Champions League debut this season, but unfortunately for them, not at their home stadium in Razgrad, which only has an 8,000 capacity, 6,000 if they put seats in for UEFA regulation. So they're going to be playing 5 hours drive southwest in the capital, Sofia, at the National Stadium.
England's most successful European side returns to the competition for the first time since 2009-10. The Reds have won 5 European Cups, but have only appeared in the modern iteration of the Champions League 8 times, winning it in 2005 and finishing runners-up in 2007. In that time, they've scored a grand total of 144 Champions League goals, conceding 79 times, giving them a Champions League goal difference of plus 65. Week 1 of the group stages sees 3 English sides face 3 German sides: Dortmund, Arsenal, Bayern versus City, Chelsea versus Schalke. Since the 94-95 season, English teams have faced German teams 99 times in Europe, winning 47, losing 37 and drawing 15.
Zlatan Ibrahimovic returns to the club where he made his Champions League debut back in 2001. Scored a total of 9 European goals in 27 games for Ajax. That's dwarfed by his incredible record for PSG at the moment. He scored 13 in 16 European games for them, including 10 in 7 games last season.
My bold prediction is that we might see Bayern go out of the group stage, and it's an incredibly tricky one with Manchester City again, CSKA Moscow and Roma, of course, who I think could be real dark horses having had such an ambitious transfer window.
My slightly less bold prediction is for Athletic Bilbao to be the fairy tale story of this Champions League, and I think they could get a scalp in the last 16 and reach the quarterfinals, or maybe even go beyond that.
Don't miss an update from your favourite Premier League team with a free app from TeamStream, available on iPad, iPhone and Android.